Welcome to this tutorial on how to use the TradingView Simulator, a powerful tool for testing and refining your trading strategies. The TradingView Simulator allows you to practice trading with virtual money, minimizing the risk of financial loss while you learn and improve your skills. To get started, log into your TradingView account and navigate to the simulator page. Here, you will see your current balance, which is typically set to a default amount of $100,000 in virtual currency. You can adjust this amount to suit your needs, but keep in mind that it will not affect your real-world trading account. The next step is to choose the market and instrument you want to trade. TradingView offers a wide range of options, including stocks, forex, futures, and cryptocurrencies. Select the instrument you are interested in, and then choose the time frame for your chart. This can range from 1 minute to 1 month, depending on your trading strategy. Once you have set up your chart, you can start placing trades. To do this, click on the buy or sell button at the top of the screen, and then enter the amount you want to trade. You can also set stop loss and take profit levels to limit your potential losses and lock in profits. As you place trades, the simulator will update your balance in real time, allowing you to see the impact of your decisions. You can also view your trade history, which provides a detailed record of all your transactions, including the date, time, and outcome of each trade. One of the key features of the TradingView Simulator is the ability to backtest your strategies. This involves applying your trading rules to historical data to see how they would have performed in the past. To backtest a strategy, click on the Pine Editor tab, and then write or import a trading script. The simulator will then run the script on historical data, providing you with a detailed report on its performance. In addition to backtesting, the TradingView Simulator also allows you to paper trade, which involves testing your strategies in real time using virtual money. This is a great way to refine your skills and build confidence before risking real money. To get the most out of the TradingView Simulator, it is essential to keep track of your progress and analyze your results. The simulator provides a range of metrics, including profit and loss, win rate, and risk-reward ratio. By monitoring these metrics, you can identify areas for improvement and adjust your strategy accordingly. In conclusion, the TradingView Simulator is a powerful tool for traders of all levels. By following these steps and practicing regularly, you can develop and refine your trading skills and improve your chances of success in the markets. Remember to always use the simulator in conjunction with other forms of education and research, and never risk more than you can afford to lose.